Assalamualaikum everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to prepare installation disk using USB flash drive. So first, we need to go to the Google and just search Windows 10 and choose the first option and click. After that, just going down and you can see the download tool now, and just click in here to download it, and it will appear like this. So just click. This will take a while, so you have to wait. After that, it will appear like this, and just click accept. Then you will have to wait again. Then it will appear like this. Okay, this is upgrade this PC now, and another one is the create installation media. You have two options in here, so you have to click in here, which is create installation media. Just click in here and then click next. Okay, click next again. Choose USB flash drive. Then click on here and then click next. Start download. And it's ready. Then finish. So that's all for the step 1 in prepare installation disk using USB flash drive.
Hi, for installation of virtual machine, open Google and write VMware Workstation Pro 60 download. When page appear, click the first web. VMware Workstation web appear and scroll down until you see Workstation 60 Pro for Windows and download it. Find the Finish Up download in the File Manager and open it up. Your screen will pop up with VMware Workstation Launcher and click Yes. VMware Workstation Pro logo will appear and again pop out with wizard window and click Next button and read user license agreement and accept it and click Next. For custom setup, click Next and read all experience settings and click Next button. Click Install for installation. And click Finish button. Open up VMware Workstation apps and it's ready to use.
Next, I am going to show on how to install Windows 10. After click the media creation, it should be like this. Then you have to click accept and also create the installation media. Then you have to choose the language, edition and architecture. Next, you have to click on USB flash drive and also don't forget to click next. And if things happen like this, you don't have to be panicked. You just have to refresh the drive list. Click like that and your hard drive will appear on the monitor like that, this removable drives, and also click next and it will start to download. After download, you just have to click the finish button and it will appear like this, and you just need to choose. And it will appear like this, and after that all you need to do is you have to go to the boot system and you have to choose between the menus like CD-ROM, hard drive removable, and I will choose removable devices network boot from Intel. And also don't forget to click on the special characters, and you just have to save and exit by pressing F10 button. Click yes, and your desktop will begin to restart. You have to wait for a while. Then you just have to choose language, time, and keyboard or input method, and click next and click install now. Next, in this part, if you don't have the key, you just have to press the skip button, and you have to click I accept the license terms and click next. Then it should appear like this, and all you need to do is click on the custom install Windows only, and it will appear like this. After that, all you need to do is you have to remove your unnecessary drive, because you have to choose the drive that you want to install the Windows 10. Choose which drive you would like to remove and click delete and click OK. After that, you have to remove the system reserved hard drive. Click OK, and there you go. After choosing the hard drive, and it will begin to install, then you have to wait for a while it installs the new Windows. And you just have to click any key to boot. Wait for a while. You have to wait for a while again. And all you need to do is you have to enter the product key, or also you can skip it. Wait for a few minutes. And also you just have to set up your computer after installing Windows 10, and you are done.